Consider this example Java program, and let's figure out what's stored in these variables. So I have str1 being equal to this is a string, and str2 is a substring of str1 from the character at index 3, so that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, which is s, up to index 6 minus 1, which is 5. So 3, 4, 5 would be s space I. Now str3 is declared using dynamic initialization, and it's a substring of str1 starting at the character at index 4. So that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the space, up to the length of the string minus 1. So that's a space is a string. Now n1 is the index of string 2 in string 1. So as we saw, string 2 is this string, and this begins at index 0, 1, 2, 3. So n1 is equal to 3. Now n2 is the index of this string in str1. So that's is space a, which starts at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, the index of this string in str1 is 5, because it starts at the same character. Now comparing string 1 to string 4, we can see that the strings are identical, so b1 is true. And then comparing the objects, string 1 and string 4, we can see that string 1 is declared using direct initialization, which is stored in a pool, and string 4 is declared using dynamic initialization, which is stored in a heap. So while the strings are the same, the objects are not equal, and therefore b2 is false. Now comparing string 1 to string 4, we see that the strings are identical, and therefore the difference between them is 0. And in comparing string 1 to string 2, we compare the characters from left to right. So starting with T and S, we see that capital T is greater than capital S by 1, and therefore string 1 is greater than string 2 by 1. So effectively the characters are compared lexicographically from left to right.